Adorable bungalow so close to all the amenities our downtown Huntsville offers. Original hardwoods, front and back porch, updated kitchen and bath. Second den could be third bedroom as it has 2 closets. Open floor plan with lots of natural light. Love how the living room and dining room flow to eat-in kitchen. Large laundry with utility sink off kitchen. Detached garage is great for storage. Fully fenced backyard. Roof April 2020, windows replaced 2015. Kitchen appliances 2017, bath updated 2016. 2 inches blinds installed throughout. Don't miss this opportunity so close to the hospital, restaurants and the business district.